In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear CV shafts on this Buick Encore. This is going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. The axle nut is peened over a little bit. I'm just going to take a punch and just try to spread this out a little bit. Just make it a little easier to take it off. Just give it a tap. A little bit more. Good. Using a 36mm socket, take the nut off. I'm just going to take a punch, just give it a tap, make sure the axle is loose from the hub. That's good. We're going to take these bolts out on the flange, use a 15mm socket. You can twist this. Take the other ones out. And one more. That's 3. There you go, take those out. I'm just going to use a pry bar, just pry this out and go to the side and just use a punch and just tap the axle out. Grab the axle and it comes right out. I take the CV shaft, slide it up top first. Pull it down and go through the hub. Might have to twist it a little bit. And get this lined up, get the bolts started. Snug those down. I'm just going to use a pry bar just to prevent this from spinning and torque these bolts to 43 foot-pounds. Good. Put the axle nut on. Snug that down. Now we're going to torque this nut to 37 foot-pounds. I'm just using a pry bar just to prevent the hub from spinning. And then you want to go an additional 60 degrees. All right, that's good. Now I'm just going to use a chisel. We're just going to peen this over just to prevent it from loosening up. Just where the slot is, right there. That's good. Put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts started. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.